Good evening, guys. Tonight I wanted to talk to you about the current $150 bonus, stackable with mypoints.com. This is not a new offer. It has been available for quite some time, but I wanted to bring awareness to it because it is so easily triggered through the Chase Business Checking account as an ACH employee payment. The current offer with MyPoints is $100, and the referral stacked would be $50. So your total is going to be $150, and it is pretty easy to trigger. The eligibility requirements for the current checking account is a financial technology company. It's not FDIC insured bank. Banking services are provided by Choice Financial Bank, member FDIC, and Cross River Bank, member FDIC. Promotion is nationwide. It does not state specific. A direct deposit of $200 is required for 60 days to receive the 10,000 points from mypoints.com, and once within 45 days of account opening to receive the $50 referral. There are no monthly fees and it is not check sensitive. From the main page, you'll go to mypoints.com and you'll navigate to Shop All and choose a category of finance. You'll scroll down about 3 lines down and you should see the current offer for 10,000 points. You want to click on that link, and where it says open offer, you want to click on open and then enter your cell phone number, and it'll be emailed. A link will be emailed to your text to your cell phone. You'll download the app to your cell phone. You'll register for a new account and enter code DAVIDW153 where it's prompted to receive the additional $50. The 10,000 points will register under your MyPoints account and will pin for 32 days. Once you've opened up an account with Current, you want to open a personal checking account. There's no minimum deposit required to open the account. Once you have the account open, you want to establish a direct deposit of $200 within 45 days of account opening for the $50 referral bonus, and keep your direct deposit active for 60 days or more to earn $100 for MyPoints, mypoints.com, which is 10,000 points. The $50 referral reward will post within 10 days of meeting the direct deposit, although delays may occur. The $100 from MyPoints will pin for 32 days and then post to your MyPoints account. The $50 referral posts same day once direct deposit hits your account. Now, one of the good features about this, what I was mentioning, is you can use Chase Business Checking and do an ACH employee payment to your current checking account. And once it's post to your current checking account, when I did mine, the $50 posts right away. It'll post to the referrer's account and the person who referred you, so it's done instantly. The $200 for the additional $100 has to be done twice within 60 days. I would recommend to keep performing it until you see that pending 10,000 points under your mypoints.com, and it takes about 32 days for it to show up as deposit into your MyPoints account, and then you can redeem your MyPoints account for like PayPal card or Visa gift card or Amazon. Going forward, yeah, as mentioned, there is a video regarding the Chase Business ACH Chase Business checking account. You want to perform a Chase Business ACH employee payment to your current checking account. You'll enter your social security number as your employee ID and just put payroll direct deposit in the comment section. There is a credit builder feature. It's like secured credit. So if you swipe your debit card, there is a credit building feature, but if you have good credit, you may not find this useful. There is also a 4% earnings on savings with direct deposit of $200 or more per month if you keep that direct deposit active. It is free overdraft once direct deposit is established, and you have the ability to get paid up to 2 days faster with direct deposit. As mentioned, there are no monthly fees and there is no minimum balance to keep the account open. You can get up to $1,000 in referrals per year, so that may be useful to refer out to your friends and family. Going forward, so final thoughts on this. If you have any questions or comments, please email me or leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I think this is a good bonus for you to pursue, and it's fairly easy to trigger. Thank you.